Welcome to our channel. It's a brand new channel. Let's hit that 1K, 10K, 20K subscription. We are going to guide you through and how we can assist you when you are new to YouTube. So it's going to be a YouTube guide as a visitor to YouTube on how you execute YouTube daily, because we just go in, take chances, browse as we want, but there are certain slight features that you may want to look up into due to software upgrades, due to different YouTube upgrades itself, and due to new features that are introduced in YouTube, indeed, as a visitor. So we are going to work on as you visiting the YouTube, browsing through YouTube, seeing what is in YouTube, all the information that you want to find out on YouTube. So because it's one of the powerful site that it's really recommended by everyone. So Alexander Tech is here to guide you through. Now we are going to use Opera Mini, which is one of our most powerful browser. Sorry about the bass, about the what, sorry about the view. You cannot see me indeed, but it's just because of the darker color in the studio here. But let's continue. We are going to open Chrome. I mean, Opera Mini, and then we might. If you have YouTube here, you can go for it. You can either search YouTube here or here, but we currently have it all here. So you click on YouTube. Make sure you are connected to the internet when you are using YouTube, indeed, which is one of the things that you should also consider. Now we're gonna wait. The internet is a bit slow. Once you are in YouTube, there are certain features that are there and that are new. It's also simple and straightforward to the point. As you can see, Morocco's game is live as we are in FIFA World Cup, and people are really enjoying that, but it's live also indeed. So what you might want to do, my network is giving me a headache. So let's go on. Once you are in YouTube, while it's loading, and there it goes. Once you are in YouTube, here is a search bar where you can search anything you want to find out on YouTube. It can be educative, entertaining, individual names, or whatever it is that you want to find out on YouTube. So here there are certain tips that you have to consider when you are using YouTube indeed. So as you can see, this is a dark gray, or which is guiding you that we are at home tab, and this is just the basics of it. So what you may need to do is simple. You either go here to search what you're looking for, or you press here, then you say what you are looking for, and then it will guide you through. This one is for uploads. We are going to reset this one for another time. This one is a notification bell, and this one it's your email address, you yourself who is browsing through YouTube itself, because there's no way that you can get access to YouTube without logging into your Gmail or email account for you to have more features that are available. So what I wanted to tell you is those basic features. What else can I tell you? Let's say for instance you like a certain person. uh, let's say for instance I'm gonna search anything which is, let's say, even Namibia music. Okay, even Namibian music group, it's here. I want to say, see Namibian music, see its vibe, see its groove. So I'm gonna click that there and wait it for it to go through or to punch through. My network is a bit slow, so that's how you go. Yeah, there it goes. Now, here you can see that Namibian Music Groove is here. It's having 1.17k subscribers, 90k views, and these are the details about the channel. And here is when you are not subscribed to the channel, it will show you that it will be in red. It will tell you to subscribe, but here it's saying subscribe. You can see, easily click here and say subscribe. Maybe you like this post by Namibian Music Group, and you really admire it, and you want to be hooked up every time. So you make sure you go to subscribe button, and then you hit the notification bell, and then you have to penalize if you want none to be notified if there is any new uploads, where you can penalize on specific things that you want them to show to you when they are uploaded, or all of them. For me, I'll go for all of them. And then you might want to go into details of the Namibian music to see more features about it. Let me say, for instance, here there is community. Two important steps is the videos, live events, playlists that they have, community, and then other channels that are also linked to these ones, and also about the channel itself, what you want to know. But few things that you should consider when you are new to a certain YouTube. If you like Namibian music group or whatever channel it is that you want, you must love to look into the community, see what they are posting, because there may be gifts, there may be good conversations, there will be plenty of things that they are going to look up on promotion and everything. You must go to the community, check out what they are offering, what they are selling, what they are doing, rather than just checking their videos that are there, because in community you will find plenty of things that are available there. But my network is a bit tripping, and one of the yeah, it's in, you see they are commenting things, they're telling you whatever it is. See the selling of products here, you can see the new albums, whatever it is, the new albums that are released for these people. Yeah, so and then here you can check about the channel, when it was created, who are the one involved, when it joined YouTube. So the description here, everything is, it's really stated here, the views, when they joined, and where their location, if they are in South Africa, business email address, it's also listed here. Yeah. So another thing that you might want to do is about it's about uh, liking these guys. Understand? Let's say, for instance, you click on a video. Understand? You click on a video like this, uh, and what you wanna do is, let me just pause this. Okay. When the video is loading like that, and let me say, for instance, you want to show love to the video of the specific thing that you want, you may come here, because it's showing you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, yeah, and also you liked or you dislike this, or you have to share to variety of people, to groups, or wherever you want to share the thing. And also here it's also showing you if you can download, because of Opera Mini that upgraded its browser. Now it's possible for you to download. It can be a movie, a music video, whatever it is that you can easily download there. And then after you click on download, it will be downloaded automatically. It will be listed in the download sections. Understand? So what is going to be is here, when you are offline, you will easily, when you go back on the browser, it will, when you go to YouTube, it will redirect you to say you are offline. You should go to downloads indeed, and you are going to see what you downloaded. There are my things. These ones I can watch on online. This is one of the greatest things that Google Chrome doesn't have downloads. So it can be anything. You can download a movie, you can download whatever it is. Yeah, for you to show love to these people, just once you subscribe, it will show you to guide you through to whom you subscribe. These are subscriptions that you have to those people that you subscribed to. And there are also other powerful things like gaming, music, things that are fire trending, and fashion, beauty, whatever it is. This is what I want to look for. And there are also other more from YouTube. If you are a YouTube creator, if you want to be a YouTube creator, if you want to change your settings, these are more things. But if you want me to go into more details, because this was an introduction, just let me know what you really want. This is also one of the powerful things. Library, maybe you saw something previous month ago on your YouTube channel, now you want to go see it again, and you just forgot about the information. What you might want to do is just come at history here. Once you go to history, it will remind you, go take you back to few things that you did previously, so that you can come and catch up there. But if you do not want to forget about that, Then what you might want to do, if you have a video already, you can come three dots and then you just say save to watch later, and then that video will come here, here indeed, and then you are good to go. And there are a lot of things. You can even create your personal playlist where you can save specific videos that you wanna watch on later on, putting them in watch list. So like this, for instance, I'm off, so I can easily go navigate to my download, and then I will be able to access the whatever information that I have saved, because this one of the song that I currently downloaded just for tutorial purposes. So for that, it's just the basics of it, and I'm pleased and glad that you tune in. Now you know the how to navigate through YouTube. But if you really want me to have more content on YouTube, because YouTube is having a lot and a lot of content, so just tell me whatever it is. Show love, subscribe, refer these channels to someone else. Please do the best as you can, and we are just here to guide you through to things that you can do it yourself at home. From me, it's a blast. So whatever you do it and do it safely. Please don't forget to thumb up and like and subscribe my channel. Chilly now, chop chop. See you on the next one.